3 raised to the power of y times 27 raised to the power of 2y minus 1 is equal to 81. We have to find the value of y. All right. Then in this case, we have to find the value of x. Okay. So the first thing we are going to do is to make the bases the same. We have base 3 here, base 27. We have to change 27 to be as base 3. So in this case of 27, we'll have 3 raised to the power of 3, because 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. Then in the case of 81, we can have 3 raised to the power of 4. All right. So in doing that, we'll bring down our 3 raised to the power of y times 3 raised to the power of 3. Then in bracket of 2y minus 1. And that's equal to 3 raised to the power of 4. Because 3 raised to the power of 4 is 81. So we have the same base now. Since we have the same base, what we are going to do next is to apply the laws of indices, which means multiplication will change to addition. So in doing that, we pick one of the bases, which is 3. Okay? So I can bring down my 3, okay, and my y plus, okay, 3 times 2y will have 6y, and 3 times minus 1 we have minus 3. By so doing, I've added the powers, okay, then is equal to 3 raised to the power of 4. Okay, so now we have the bases as 3 and 3. So we're going to now equate the bases. 3 is equal to 3. All right, so we can now make do of the powers. So we have y plus 6y minus 3, y plus 6y minus 3, and that's equal to 4. So when we collect like terms, y plus 6y will give us 7y, all right, minus 3 is equal to 4. So we'll bring down our 7y, collect like terms, and that's equal to 4 plus 3, okay? All right, when minus 3 crosses to this side becomes plus 3. So 7y is equal to 4 plus 3 is 7. When you divide both sides by the coefficient of y, which is 7, divide by 7, divide by 7, and we're left is y is equal to 1. So the value of y is 1. All right, before I continue, if you have any question as you're watching this, just drop a question at the comment section. All right, so I will do another video to explain this. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow me on all platforms at Joe King Math Class. All right, now let's attend to the second question. So in the second question, we have base 8 here, base 32, and we have base 4. In this case, we have even numbers. All right. So what is similar among these numbers is that we can change their bases to 2 raised to the power of a certain number that will be equal to the base. That means 2 raised to the power of 3 is 8, and 2 raised to the power of 5 is 32, and 2 raised to the power of 2 is 4. So I can change this my 8 to 2 raised to the power of 3, then in bracket of x minus 3, and that's equal to 32 is same thing as 2 raised to the power of 5 in bracket of x plus 2, okay, all over 2 raised to the power of 2 in bracket of minus x. Okay, now we can see that we have the same basis all through. So we'll bring down 2 raised to the power of 3 times x is 3x, and 3 times minus 3 is minus 9, and that's equal to 2. 5 times x, we have 5x, and 5 times plus 2, we have plus 10, all over 2 raised to the power of minus 2x. All right, so we're going to apply the laws of indices, okay, which says division changes to subtraction. 2 raised to the power of 5x plus 10 divided by 2 raised to the power of minus 2x. All right, it's same thing as saying 2 raised to the power of 5x plus 10 minus 2x. That is, we pick one of the bases, which is 2, since they are the same, then we minus the power. Simple. So we'll bring down our 2 raised to the power of 3x minus 9, and our equality sign. So we'll pick one of the two. So we'll have 5x plus 10 minus 2x. x. So we can bring down our 2. Okay, we have the same basis now. So what we're going to do next is to equate the basis and make do of the powers. So we have 3x minus 9, and that's equal to 5x, okay, plus 10, then plus 2x, because minus minus changes to plus. So we have plus 2x. All right, so the next thing we're going to do now is to collect like terms. We're going to collect like terms and get the value of x. So all the values of x will be on this side, and those without x will be on the other side. So I'll bring down my 3x. All right, then plus 5x crosses becomes minus 5x. Then plus 2x crosses to becomes minus 2x. Plus 2x cross this side becomes minus 2x. All right, and that's equal to positive 10, and our minus 9 crosses over to becomes plus 9. Okay, so having done this, we're going to add them up. 3x minus 5x, we have minus 2x, then minus 2x minus 2x, we have minus 4x. Okay, and that's equal to 10 plus 9 is 19. All right, so the next thing we're going to do now is to divide both sides of the equation by the coefficient of x, which is minus 4. So divide this side by minus 4, this side divide by minus 4. So negative 4 cancels negative 4, we're left with x, and that's equal to 19 divided by negative 4, we have minus 4 whole number, 3 over 4. All right. If you find this helpful, do well to drop your comment at the comment section and give this video a like. All right. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at official_JoeKing, and also on TikTok and on YouTube at Joe King Math Class. And also follow me on Facebook at Joe King Math Class, and also on Facebook at Joe King. I have 2 Facebook channels. One of them is my Facebook page, and the other one is my Facebook group. So follow me on Facebook, and don't forget to like this video, and please don't forget to also share this video. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.